name is Mohamed Hamed, Chief Technology Officer for Platino Group under umbrella Abdulaziz Salam. I had a PhD in system integrator for IT and computer science for a lot of IT system. We have a lot of showrooms and manufacturing ceramic and porcelain in Egypt. Main business for our organization is for manufacturing industry in tiling, ceramic and porcelain. Also for sales this in our showroom by technology. By using technology, IR and VR technology in showroom. And also for our manufacture, we use it Ariba technology in all processing from robotics and artificial intelligence and IoT. Number one, we can use AI and VR for when you starting go to our website to looking the design, and also you can put your floor plan for your company or your manufacturer or your home, also or your company, to get all this virtual reality. You can put the design and show the all ceramics and all our products by VR. This will help you to get a change or maybe get another design, or also you can get a color with the furniture. This is how can be VR help us. Our manufacture is based on all for automation, from the employee, from the all thing in our factory. Employee can attend this by mobile and fingerprint and face recognition. All our manufacturing is using a printer laser and get design from the designer, and also get the sorting our tiling by AI to get to 95% of first choice. We can use it handling for all our manufactured tiles by robotics. Robotics, we can help us to get out human error. We can use all this by artificial intelligence, and we have IoT to know everything and every time how can we pass this processing in manufacture. From the first time we built our manufacture in 2019, we have an ROI for everything. How can be leader for this? How can do this? We can use all automation to get 65 or 75 percentage like another manufacturer. How can we use that? Use artificial intelligence, use IoT, use all robotics to get all manufacture with automation. We use all robotics and manufacture from AI, IoT, machine learning for get a 65 or 75% more than first choice. To take off human error, to take a lot of advances from automation in our manufacture, to take a REPA for employee, to get out all zero human errors. We're looking for a new technology, era technology, from let the customer get customer satisfied. How can get customer satisfied? We can use application for mobile, or we can use a website to build all our design, or get customer service to how get this satisfied from our customers.